Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit your console in PyCharm. So I want you guys to sit back and enjoy the video. Hello guys, we're inside of PyCharm, and if you don't know what this is the code from my last video where I basically printed out hello world. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to edit your console. So if you don't know what your console is basically where where it shows your results, where you type in your code. So I'm going to open it up right now by clicking Shift F10, and then yes, that's it. It popped up and then it prints out hello world. So basically not everybody would like it like this. I don't know the way you're going to like this. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit this console. So in order to do that, the first thing we do is that we go into our file and then we open settings. So when you open settings, I'll have to close all this. When you open settings, you're going to quickly open editor down here, editor, and then you're going to color scheme. Once you go to color scheme, you're going to open console colors, console colors. So basically these are the things that normally print out. This first one here is your code. That's the result of what you typed into your terminal, and then this is what comes out in your console. That's just blue hello world you see here. So you want to change the color, is right here. And then the second thing here is your process finish with exit code whatever. So this is basically what shows you whether you have any error in your code or you have any, you get it. And also what we have on the top right here is your directory. They both go the same way. The directory is the one that shows you where the file you're working on is located at. So I just made all those blend in with the normal background because I didn't want it to really show. It didn't really matter. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit this. So in order to edit this, if you want to edit your output, you're going to log into this one here. You're going to click on it, and then you come right here. This is where you have all your color settings. So basically, let's say you want to change it to white. You have you can drag this over here to this place to change it to white, and then you come here, click apply, and it should change to white. Hold on 1 second. We come here and change this to white, and then click apply. Okay, yes, it has been changed to white basically. So let's say you want to change the background. That is this little stroke you see going across the screen. So we want to change that to, let's say, red, and then you're just going to come in and click, and then it should change to red by now. This change to red exactly. So you click apply, and yes, let's change to red. And also if you want to change this thing at the background, I'll show you the directory and the exit code. What you do is that you come right here, that is bad command or file name as well. So the file name is a directory. Bad command is one that tells you if your code has an error or anything. So basically you want to change, you click on it, and then sorry, I made a mistake. This is not actually it. That is going to be this first one right here. You won't change any of this too. This is where you actually come to the first one. Sorry, I made a big mistake there. You come to the first one, and then if you want to change the color, you know they are already blend. They already went in with the background. So you want to change the color, you come right here, and let's say you want to change it to pink or this color. Then you change it to that, and then you click apply, and then you can see it has changed the color. You also want to change the background to, let's say, blue, and then you come here, like that, this, and change the background to blue. Yes, you come here, click apply, and then boom, it is changed to blue. So as for me, I'm going to return them back to the way I kept them. I want no background here, and I also want this to blend in. If you want it to blend in, you can do the same thing as I'm doing right now. And then the background, I'm going to turn it off and apply. And this one, I'm going to change it back to maybe a shiny color, not blue again. We're going to change to something Let's do red. We'll change to red, and I'll turn off the background. And we change to red as a foreground, and I'm going to turn off the background like that. Apply, and yes, here we go. So if we want to print another thing, and then we go print, we go how was the day today. So we're going to print that, and we see how that goes. And right under, just where we have set it, it goes how was your day today. So another thing you might also want to change is the font style. Okay, so this is the first font. I left it like this because I'm not going to be using it, right? So I left it like this, and then I'm going to come up here. Now let's change the font style. You go back to your settings, to your file, then you go down to your settings, and then the same thing you do, but this time you're not going to console colors. On that color scheme, you're going to console font. You get it? So this is where you can change your font style. This is the default font, JetBrains Mono, but you can change it to any other type you want to change it. I think we have this Mono Space, we have this Source Code Pro, and we have this dialog input. I'm going to use the dialog input and then apply. As you can see, our font has changed. So you can use any of this font, or you can also import your type of font basically, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But yes, this is how you change your font and your background in your code. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you at the next video. Hey guys, thank you for watching that video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit it anyways, and please don't forget to subscribe.